Yo, what's up guys? I'm back. For the past few months I've been studying for my finals and it's finally over. It was over like 3 days ago and I've been working for the past 2 days, so I haven't started this weekly vlog thing and I'm starting to do it right now. So it's Saturday, so I thought we should go do something fun and I called up a friend of mine. I'm gonna call him right now, see if he's down for it because I wanna go do some laser tag because it's pretty fun. Yo Marvin.
Yeah.
Do you wanna go do some laser tag? What? Alright, the squad is here.
What's up?
Let's go have a black Canon.
No, Black Canyon sucks.
No,
Well, let's go to Black Canyon.
I want a good coffee though. Yeah, let's go have some coffee. Alright, so the reason I'm doing a daily vlog is because I'm working on this really cool project that I can't talk about right now, but hopefully I'm going to be taking you guys along the process, like the behind the scenes and stuff, and this is kind of like a warm-up for it, and it's going to be fun. Right now we're here trying to have a brunch. Is it brunch? It's kind of, it's breakfast for me, but it's lunch for them, yeah? Marvin?
It's dinner for me now.
Marvin? I think Marvin's dead. Yeah, he's thinking about Henny. Anyways, we're having brunch right now and we're gonna go play laser tag after this.
Guys, guess who made this happen? This stupid moron.
Wow, guys.
Zani, what the heck is that?
We're gonna take a photo of this.
Alright, so we're gonna stop playing now and we're gonna go get a locker. And I'm gonna switch to a GoPro in 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're rolling on GoPro right now. The audio might be a little bit bad because it's GoPro, but let's get some action. You want me out? Alright, so we just finished up with the laser tag. It was so much fun, but I couldn't record it, so we didn't get any vlog footage. I'm such a mess. I think I set a new leaderboard.
Yeah, he got number 1.
I think I got a new, I set a new high score in the leaderboard, I think. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, I guess that's just pretty much for today. I might go shooting this evening or maybe I'll go back to my house
Right now we're
and vlog. So yeah, we're just eating Coca-Cola floats. Not floats, what? Slushy. Apparently.
Brain freeze.
Oh shit, yeah. So we're chilling at Mark's house, Mark's and Marvin's house. They're brothers, by the way. And I don't know what we're gonna do. So pretty much, yeah, they have to go to like a birthday party. I'm not invited because I'm not friends with them. Anyways. What the heck is that? He's showing me a picture. Anyways, I think this is pretty much it. I'm gonna go somewhere else today. Hopefully I will be because I'm bored.
Wow, look. Bros before hoes. Bros before hoes.
Okay, I'll flip it so you can see it.
Like and
you gotta be
subscribe.
kidding me if I get copyrighted for that music in the background.
It's Myanmar, no one cares.
Alright, it is Tuesday and I have a dentist appointment. I need to get my teeth fixed. So I'm gonna go do that right now and I'll catch you guys up later with this whole vlog thing.
Come on then, la.
Oh my god! Right. Does anyone want to know where? Does anyone want to tell the vlog where we're going?
Into my ass.
Into a deep jungle.
No, we're actually going to a amusement park. Abandoned amusement park.
Wakanda.
That doesn't make any sense. You know, like, if anyone sees our vlog, they're gonna be like, are these guys high because of the yesterday, remember?
Is it off?
What?
Is it off? Is it like actually recording us?
Yeah.
Aww.
So, movie review time. What are we doing with our lives? It's the movie Tomb Raider review. Spoilers. I don't know why I'm saying as if I'm putting in tags, but like, sure.
Sexy reverse harem juice.
Alright, we're here. Let's do this. Now there's a question. Oh, what are those? I'm just kidding. Alright, boys. You know this is illegal. This is trespassing. But we're gonna do it because we're assholes. I'm just kidding. Why am I becoming Logan Paul? I hate myself. Anyways, Logan Pauls. Just saying, by the way. Here we are at the abandoned amusement park, boy. Yep. I'll come and get it from the other side. Okay. So like basically you remember, you know the photo that I took? It's up here. What?
Jordan.
Oh no, hell no. What the fuck?
Moving.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yo.
Oh no, there's a person there. That's why.
Is that a person or a dead body?
What?
We shouldn't go.
No, it's fine.
Like, what if he like make us go up?
No.
Alright, let's go, boys. Check this out. This is like an abandoned real way.
I'm gonna like do upside down.
That's so sick. I love this place, by the way, just saying. Oh, Marvin, oh, I see a photo that I want to take. Marvin, do you want, fuck. But let's just go check this out, because I've been like in this place so many times. This is so creepy. Yeah, sure. Dude, guys, check this out.
Oh shit.
My god, he dropped his fucking drone. Oh, yeah, like you're
I know you're gonna hate me for saying this, but I already like I know this is gonna happen.
What?
Like I told my aunt that like I'm gonna lose a phone and crash a drone like this year. I lost my phone and I crashed my drone. So it's Monday. I'm just getting some work done. I don't think I'm gonna vlog anything today. So yeah. We might be going on a really great adventure in like the day on Wednesday, I think. I'm pretty sure we will be. Like the chances of us going are like really high, so it's gonna be great. I'm gonna be meeting up with a couple of friends and it's gonna be insane, so yeah. Alright, so it's Monday and I'm gonna go get my haircut and I'm gonna go pick up 2 lenses because we are going on like a really quick trip tomorrow and the day after tomorrow to Mandalay and Pyongyang. So yeah, let's go get it. That's the little kid following me. Anyways, yeah, I just called an Uber. It's pretty late now. This is like a total surprise, so yeah. Okay.
Hello.
The boys hooked us up with like, oh, my hair's a mess. With a 70 to 200. Ew. That's gonna be sick. Now they don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, I'm gonna go do a proposal video for tomorrow. No, the day after tomorrow, but we're going tomorrow, so yeah. Alright. That looks sexy AF.
I know, but body is so small.
Oh, what about the charger and shit?
Yeah, yes.
Alright, so it is Tuesday and we're gonna go to the airport now. We're a bit late. There's my Uber. So I sort of missed my flight and I'm gonna be waiting for another flight. We're just gonna take off at 12 and it is 7:50. I missed my flight by like 15 minutes. Not 15, like 5 minutes, and the TSA was asking me about the drone for like 10 minutes. So yeah, I missed my flight. Fuck me. I'm just gonna have some Burger King and hopefully I'm just gonna fill up and console myself for the amount of money I've wasted. So yeah. Alright, so we just landed here in Mandalay and we're gonna get a taxi to Mayo, and it's gonna be like an hour and a half to get there, and they prepared a hotel for us, so it's gonna be great. Why is the lens looks like so dreamy right now? I have no idea, but pretty much yeah. I meet up with my friends. These are my friends. They'll be helping me out on this trip, and hopefully we can get a really good video. Alright, we just made it to our hotel and this is the room. Look how massive it is. Holy fuck. I mean, it's not that grand, but like it's massive. That's for sure. And I think I'm gonna go switch to GoPro because I don't want to carry this camera around. And I think we're gonna go do biking and we're gonna go have some lunch plus dinner thingy. I'm so tired. I didn't vlog anything because I'm just like I said, I'm just so tired. Oh my god. Holy shit. God damn. Alright, so that's just basically it, and hopefully I can get some more footage for you guys. Had our dinner and now we're gonna go check out the place that he's gonna propose. So yeah. Alright, it's another morning and we're gonna have breakfast and we're gonna head to this park that Pyongyang is mostly famous for, and we're gonna take some photos, and I think I'm gonna show some photos of the place that he's gonna propose, because by the time you guys are watching this video he already proposed. So yeah, it's quite early. Not quite early, I'm just kidding. It's like 10 a.m. So yeah. Oof. Alright, so we just took some photos and we're at the gate of the garden. It's gonna be lit. Today's gonna be like a totally photogenic? I don't know what they call it. Like, we're gonna get a lot of photos today. That's pretty much it. And we're just getting in. This is the gate. Look at this. This is like the entrance. That's crazy. And yeah, we're gonna go check out like a tower, a massive tower. We're gonna go on a swamp walkway, which is one of my favorite places that I've like. What am I saying? It's one of my favorite places here. And yeah, we're gonna check it out and take some photos. And yeah, at about 3 p.m. we're gonna start shooting. So yeah, hopefully she said yes. It would be so awkward if she said no and we're like, oh, okay. Like, my hair's a mess, by the way. Yo guys, check out where we are. We're here at the swamp walkway, and this is actually one of my favorite places in the entire park. It's basically just this walkway, and we're walking the swamp, just like the name says, the swamp walkway. So it's pretty amazing. We're gonna take some photos. Yeah, got a sick photo. That's probably his like first time using a DSLR, but yeah. we're gonna go shoot this. Oh shit. Alright, so we just arrived at this massive tower and we're gonna go climb to the top. We're gonna take some photos and we're gonna check it out. As soon as we finish with this, we're gonna go shoot the proposal. Not shoot, but like we're gonna prepare for the proposal because he's gonna propose at about 7 p.m. So yeah, it's so tiring. But we got some sick shots. We've got multiple sick shots. So that should be fun, I think. It's gonna be so tiring, but yeah. Oh, we have to buy tickets? Okay. Yeah. Only two. 3ရောက်ဗျ။2ရောက်2ရောက်。3ရောက်ဗျ။တက်လိုက်ပါ။တက်ခင်ဗျပေါ်ရ။ဆင်းလာပြဆင်း။3ရောက်နော်။ဟုတ်ကဲ့။ Can't help. Shit. This thing is so heavy. That's not even funny. Yeah. Bloody hell. The view's good though. Check that out. That too. We got like a few more stairs to go. Not a few more, like a ton more stairs to go. Oh my goodness. This is the most anticlimactic thing I've ever done. So is this okay, there's nothing here. No, telescope, nothing. What? Oh shoot, fuck. Aww. Alright, so we're just waiting and we're gonna prepare for the proposal. And I'm gonna go in like 100% full vlog mode, so I won't be vlogging anything. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I might put in some drone shots of today and stuff right now, but yeah, we'll see you guys after this in the morning. That's insane. Holy crap, we might go swim though. We're gonna go get some shots. We're here in Mandalay. My flight leaves in like 2 hours. We're gonna have lunch and hopefully we're gonna go back to Yangon. I just slept on the car, so I'm a bit grumpy right now, but pretty much yeah. What are you gonna have though? Yeah, I'm so tired. My lungs hurt so bad because I was swimming in like a freezing water. So yeah, that was freezing. That was cool, but that was freezing. Bye, Anthony. Bye bye. Something we could never lose. We're rivers in the night. I go left and you go right. We'll find on the other side. We are, we are. We can make it.